Wow! You are looking for fishing or cruising tour? Then, welcome to Fishing and Friends, the leading Dubai and Sharjah deep sea fishing and cruising tours. We provide not only the best guides, you will receive the best possible service and price guaranteed in the whole region. We have professional captains manning our boats, and we only use the highest quality fishing equipment. That's what sets us aside from the rest. 100% satisfaction will keep you coming back for more every time. With an economical, all-inclusive priced packages for your convenience and relaxation fulfillments. Don't forget, we are also specialized in ship chandler services. Please, feel free to explore our services and share this stable event with others. Thank you.